Hi everyone, my name's Caitlin. In this video, I'm going to show you an improvement we recently made to auto payment reattempts after purchase option cancellation. So I'm starting off in setup and I am going to open my business tab and then select business policies. So from here, we'll take a look at our automatic payments tab. And the one that we're looking at within automatic payments is this top toggle option here to reattempt failed auto payments whatever amount of times you want before charging the client's account balance. So previously, when this toggle was turned on, like I have it here, failed auto payment transactions would continue even after a purchase option had been canceled or deactivated. So this meant that even when your client canceled a purchase option, the system would keep attempting to charge them as many times as is listed here in the box. With this improvement, once a purchase option is deactivated, those auto payment reattempts for failed payments will not continue after the membership deactivation date. So of course, the best way for me to show you what this will look like is to actually look at a client's profile. So let's go ahead and pull up a client of mine here. We'll look at Oliver's profile. So I'll go in there. So from his profile, we can go ahead and open up his account tab and then select passes and memberships. So in this example, Oliver has a session pass right up here at the top. And if I scroll all the way over to the right, you'll see that it's set up to auto renew. So he is going to be paying on a recurring basis for this session pass. However, Oliver has let us know that he no longer wants to use or pay for this session pass. So I can go ahead and deactivate that for him by clicking on the three-dot icon in the action column and then selecting deactivate. Now, because Oliver does not have any failed auto payments, this is the message that I'm going to see when I go to deactivate this purchase option. So it just confirms that auto payments will not be attempted after the deactivation date, which is great. I could go ahead, enter a reason for cancellation just with a free text box, and I could go ahead and click on deactivate. However, since this improvement is about failed auto payments, I'm going to show you a screenshot of what the message looks like when a staff member tries to deactivate a purchase option that has a balance owing due to a failed auto payment. So what I have on my screen now is for a package, but it's going to work the same as for those session passes. So we see the same message here at the top, but below that, there's a note that lets the staff know that the package has an outstanding balance. They're then presented with two options. First one is don't charge the client's account, which is selected by default. And then below that, we have yes, charge the client's account. So if the staff selects this option, the outstanding balance will be charged to their account, so they'll have a negative account balance, meaning that the client owes the business money. This will be reflected on that client's billing and account balance page. All of this is to show that going forward with this release, staff will easily be able to see that message that no auto payments will be attempted going forward, including those for failed auto payments, which optionally can be charged to the client's account balance. That covers our training video on the updated behavior for payment reattempts for deactivated purchase options. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.